In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Figma account. If you're new to Figma, this quick walkthrough will get you set up using a simple Google sign-in. Figma is a popular design and collaboration tool that runs in your browser. So once your account is created, you can start designing right away without installing anything. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to Google. Any modern browser will work well here. Once Google loads, click into the search bar and type the word Figma. This is the fastest way to get to the official site without needing to remember the exact web address. In the search results, look for the official Figma website. It should clearly show the figma.com domain. Click that result to go straight to Figma's homepage. On the homepage, you'll usually see options in the top right corner, including Login. Even if you're brand new, using Login is a perfectly valid path because Figma supports signing in with providers like Google and automatically creates your account on the first login. Go ahead and click Login. On the Sign In screen, choose Continue with Google. This uses single sign-on, which means you won't have to manage a separate password for Figma. If your browser is already signed into a Google account, you may be taken through instantly or asked to confirm the account. If you're not signed in yet, you'll see a prompt to enter your Google credentials right there. Follow the prompts, and if you're asked to confirm basic permissions, approve them to proceed. After you continue with Google, Figma will either create your new account or log you in if one already exists under that Google email. You'll land in your Figma workspace, typically on a dashboard or a Getting Started page. That's it. Your Figma account is now active and you're signed in. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. If you have both a work and a personal Google account, choose the one you plan to use for collaboration, since your files and team access will be tied to that email. Consider bookmarking the Figma site so you can return to it quickly later. If you're on a shared or public computer, make sure to sign out when you're done to keep your account secure. And if you prefer staying organized, you can keep Figma pinned in your browser or install the desktop app later. Your same account will work everywhere. You've successfully created your Figma account using Google. You're ready to explore files, create new designs, and collaborate with your team.